Hi friends, welcome to the Glow Design world. Hope you are all well. In this tutorial, I will show you a letter portrait design in Photoshop. This is very essential for your design thinking. Please like this video and give your valuable feedback on comment box. If you need any help, let me know. I will try to solve your problem next time. So friends, stay with us if you want to get the latest updates on a platform. So no need to say anything else, let's go to the point. First I will create a gradient adjustment layer. Follow this process. Now take Type tool and write the letter. This font link is in description. Now select the text player and background layer, then go to Align pane. Click on Horizontal Align Center and Vertical Align Center. Now select the text layer and go to Blending option. Stock. Follow this process. Drop shadow. Follow this process. Okay, I think that's good. Now go to another image. This image link is in description. Move it on to main project. Control or Command T to resize this image. Right-click and convert to Smart Object. Now duplicate this image. Select the bottom image layer. Right-click and create clipping mask. Select the top image layer and mask. Now select the text layer. Right-click and select pixels. Select the mask. Go to Select. Inverse. Pick brush and make a hard brush. Make sure foreground color is black. Follow this process. Okay, that's good. Control or Command D to deselect. Now take a new layer. Take elliptical marquee tool. Hold spacebar to move the selection. Follow this process. Take a new layer. Pick brush. This brush link is in description. Follow this process. Okay, I think this is perfect. Hey friends, if you need any letter portrait design, please contact me as soon as possible on comment box. Thanks for watching.